La la la, la la la.
This is phase 2 of a journey to preserve our folklore. It began with a book where 30 spirits of Trinidad and Tobago were reborn. Now the pages open wide and the legends step into motion. Sit back, enjoy, and learn as the old stories live again.
Night dot, then you hear it. Chain dragging hard, hoof pounding oots, breath like furnace. That is the olden calf. Big black beast, horn curl high, eyes spitting fire red. He charged through the road and bush same way, chain clattering, mouth frothing, hunting those who thief, lie and disrespect the dead. Strong men for a week when they hear that chain coming. And once he set sight on you, only prayer, psalm or holy water whip could save you. So when midnight quiet breaks sudden, dog bolt, ear turns sulfur hot, don't stand up there watching. Step off the road, hide your face and beg mercy. The road and calf don't pass twice.
The spirits never stop whispering. If you want to journey deeper into your folklore, reach out and connect with us. The story's waiting for you.
Can you hear them singing down?